How do you learn Korean? Learning Korean through drama is a very good source for students to improve both their speaking and listening skills. You can learn authentic Korean conversation through drama. Actually learning a language is hard, but through the drama, you can learn Korean with fun.
알겠습니다. 커피도 엄마한테 먹어도 되는지 물어보지.
Also, you can see the Korean culture and Korean people's life through the Korean drama. Then all Korean dramas are suited for learning Korean? Well, I don't think so. For example, Kingdom is a famous Korean drama, but I don't recommend it because there are a lot of old-fashioned way of talking. So, in this video, I'd like to introduce the latest Korean drama Best 5 to study Korean. 사랑의 불시착, Crash Landing on You. It was a very popular drama with Hyunbin and Son Ye-jin. Yoon-se-ri, Son Ye-jin, is a fashion entrepreneur and a daughter of a big company owner. One day, Yoon-se-ri falls to North Korea while paragliding. She met Lee Jung-hyuk, Hyunbin, who is a soldier in North Korea. And then, little by little, they fall in love. I recommend that you focus on Se-ri and Kim Jong-hyun as Koo Seung-jun's script. If it imitates Jung-hyuk or Sedan's way of speaking, you will learn the North Korean accent, so please be careful.
그쪽이 북이 온 거요.
사이코지만 괜찮아. It's okay to not be okay. This is a romantic comedy drama starring Kim Soo-hyun, Moon Gang-tae, Kim Soo-hyun live with his autistic older brother Moon Sang-tae, Oh Jung-se.
둘이 진짜 화해했어?
Gang-tae is working at a psychiatric ward, and one day he met a famous children's book writer, Ko Moon-young,
사인 중
Seo Ye-ji, who does not know the feeling of love.
나는요 이쁜 마녀가 될래요.
The conversation with Kim Soo-hyun and Seo Ye-ji are good references to real lovers' conversations, so you can learn authentic expressions through their dialogues. But be aware that some of Seo Ye-ji's talk has some slang and a bad language, so please be careful.
잘못은 제가 했는데 왜 나한테 지랄인데? 우리가 씹어먹는 겁니다.
이태원클라스, 이태원클라스. 이태원클라스 is one of the hottest and most popular K-dramas of 2020. Park Se-roi, Park Seo-jun, is a person who keeps his beliefs under any circumstances. There is a person who took everything that Se-roi had, was Chang Dae-hee, the chairman of Changga. Because of him, Se-roi was expelled from school, went to jail, and even lost his father. But he didn't give up and worked hard to open a restaurant called 단밤. 조이서, Kim-dami, works as a manager in 단밤 and she falls in love with Se-roi. All workers in 단밤 struggle to make a big company, but Changga interrupts Se-roi's business. You can learn many useful business expressions through this drama. 슬기로운 의사생활, Hospital Playlist. This is a story of doctors, nurses, and patients at a hospital. The main characters are 5 doctors, all of whom entered the medical schools in 1999. Conversations of these characters help you learn the actual expressions between friends. Through this drama, you can also learn useful expressions at hospital. I am pleased to see those who have maintained a constant friendship for more than 20 years.
난 바이올린 하고 싶다니까.
브람스를 좋아하세요? Do you like Brahms? It is a drama about the school life of music students, and you can see the conversation with the professor at school.
나랑 재밌게 악기 해보자.
채송아 is a first-year university student and studies to become a violinist. She majored in business, but she had a dream to be a violinist.
송아 씨는 서령대 경영학과 졸업하고 음대 다시 들어간 케이스.
She followed her dream, and after 4 years of challenge, she finally entered the music school. But her music classmates had more talent than she did.
아니!
꼴찌를 하지 말든가.
At the age of 29, she meets pianist Park Jun-young while thinking about her dream and future. In this drama, you can see many honorific Korean expressions.
열심히 배워요.
Honorific forms are very hard to study, but this drama will help you learn honorific expressions because these characters often talk in honorifics.
준혁 씨도 안 샀죠?
안 샀죠.
근데 왜 웃어요?
I've introduced 5 Korean dramas so far. If you study Korean while watching dramas, you can learn a lot of real expressions that are not in textbooks. It's good to watch dramas while watching Korean subtitles or without subtitles. When you get used to it, read the script like the main character in drama. Your Korean speaking skills will improve a lot. Let's improve your Korean with Korean dramas in 2021.